Join me as I dive deep into the Euro USD forecast for 2024, and I challenge myself to make some bold predictions. Euro USD has changed its structure to downtrend. Previously, our previous structure was in what? Uptrend, where we have a series of higher low, where we have a lower low here, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. You can see that price has closed below a higher low, which is this level. So long price has closed below this higher low with this candlestick. This shows that the structure of Euro USD has now turned toward downtrend. Then we now see a price retest. You can see price retested this important resistance here, which lead to this price dropping from that important resistance level. So you can see we have here is our important resistance level that price rejected from. So long price rejected from this resistance level, we expect Euro USD to continue to drop, and so long the structure of the Euro USD on the daily chart has also changed. It shows that Euro USD will continue to drop. And if you see now, you see that so long price has breaking this structure, and we can see that our trend line also on the bigger frame of our trend line, you can see that price also break below it, which shows that the Euro USD is possible to drop to the downside. But let's get a proper confirmation from the monthly chart and the weekly chart to see how accurate we expect the Euro USD to drop. On our monthly chart, you can see that Euro USD closed on a monthly resistance. You can see that we have a monthly resistance here. So long we have a monthly resistance here and price failed to close above this monthly resistance, this shows that price will be expecting Euro USD to drop this month. With our target will be, our first target will be this monthly support, and our next target will be this area of support on the monthly chart. So we expect Euro USD to drop on the monthly chart because price failed to close above a monthly resistance. So long price failed to close above the monthly resistance, so we expect Euro USD to drop. So let's look at the monthly structure on the Euro USD. We can see from our previous structure on the Euro USD, you can see that we are in what? A downtrend. So long the previous structure of the Euro USD is on a downtrend on the monthly chart, we are expecting a major drop on Euro USD. So what we'll be expecting from the monthly chart now, before we can see the major drop for Euro USD on the monthly chart, we expect price to close below this level, this higher low. Once price close below this higher low, we expect price to do a retest and price continue to push down for the Euro USD. So the monthly structure on the Euro USD is on a downtrend, but we have an inner structure which we expect price to change toward downtrend. So if price break this low, we expect the inner structure to change toward to downtrend. So currently now we are just expecting price to do a retest back to this level on the monthly chart. But if price break this inner structure higher low, which means we are expecting a major downtrend for Euro USD, and this can also lead to resection in nearest future for the Euro USD. So let's go to the weekly chart on the Euro USD. On my weekly chart, you can see that price converted this support into resistance, and price did the test of that level now. So long price converted this support into resistance. This shows that the Euro USD on the weekly chart is also support to drop to the downside. So we are expecting Euro USD to drop to this our monthly support level. So long price convert this support to resistance, it shows that price is expected to drop on the weekly chart. You can see that these areas are all resistance level on the weekly chart. So long these areas are resistance level on the weekly chart, we expect the Euro USD to drop. And if you see from the structure of the Euro USD on the weekly chart, we are currently in what? A sideways trend. You can see that we are currently in what? A sideways trend. So what we're expecting for the Euro USD, so long we have this sideways trend, what we'll be expecting now, we're expecting price to close below this higher low, then do a retest, then before we see a major push for the Euro USD to the downside. So the major structure of the weekly chart on Euro USD is still currently on a sideways. So and so long the major structure on a sideways, that means the daily chart trend now is just a retracement for the downtrend, because the higher time frame are more powerful than the lower time frame. So the weekly structure is on a sideways trend, while the daily structure is on a downtrend. So long the weekly structure is on a sideways trend and the daily is on a downtrend. This shows that euro is just making a reversal. But before we can actually confirm a major drop on the euro USD, that means we expect price to break below this higher low, this inner structure higher low. Then we'll see a retest. Then for us to see a major push down for the euro USD. And once price breaks below this level, below this level, this is very significant sign that we are heading towards a recession for the euro USD. So once price breaks this level, it shows that we'll be heading towards recession for euro USD. So let's go back to our daily chart. So the daily chart, it shows that we are expecting the euro USD to drop. You can see that on the weekly chart, price is currently on a sideways trend, but it supports downtrend movement. You can see that on the monthly chart, the major trend of the monthly chart is on a downtrend, just that we have some inner structure on the monthly chart. But we are still expecting price to go down because price closed on what? Monthly resistance. So long we have that candlestick anatomy that the price is going down on the monthly and the weekly, this shows that the daily structure supports the weekly and the monthly move. So we are expecting euro USD to drop down to this our support level. The break of this support level, expect price to this trend line, this weekly trend line. Once price break this weekly trend line, expect price to do a retest, then price seek further downtrend for the euro USD. Now what we'll be expecting tomorrow, because tomorrow we have a CPI news on the US dollar. So long we have a CPI news tomorrow on US dollar, let me show you the calendar. So long we have the CPI news for the calendar tomorrow, so we're expecting a high volatility for tomorrow movement on the market. So we expect euro USD to do a retest. We might see price doing a retest, because you can see that previously these levels are what? Support level. These levels are what? Support level. You can see that this particular candlestick now has closed below this level. So long price has closed below this level, we'll be expecting a retest before we see the major push. So price might do a retest back to this area, then we'll see the price pushing down for euro USD. So if you find this analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.